Hello friends, welcome to today's video. This is just a short video of how I cooked unripe plantain and the shredded fish stew. To make this fish sauce, I have here tomato and pepper mix, which comprises of some tomatoes, peppers, onions, garlic and ginger. I blended and boiled it to dry. And then I have some onions which I'm going to use to fry the oil. I have some vegetable oil here for the sauce, and then I have the fish here, which is the style of this recipe. This is just one mackerel fish which I steamed with some salt, seasoning cubes and fish seasoning, and then I deboned and shredded it like this. I have here some fish stock which I got from the steamed fish, and then I'll be using these seasonings. I have 2 seasoning cubes here, curry powder, thyme and the fish seasoning. So let's get started. In a dry pot, I'll add the vegetable oil, and once it gets hot, I'll then add the onions. Fry for some minutes, and when the onions get soft, I add the seasonings. That's the thyme, the curry powder, the seasoning cube and the fish seasoning powder, and stir everything together, and then add the tomato and pepper mix and keep frying. After frying this for about 5 minutes, I add the fish stock and then continue frying. Cover and fry again for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll add the shredded fish. I've not added any salt here because the fish stock and the seasoning cube all contain salt, so I'll test for salt before adding any. After adding the fish, I will stir, test for salt, cover and cook for about 7 more minutes, and then our sauce and the plantain will be ready. And here we have our boiled plantain and the shredded fish sauce. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. See you in our next video. Bye bye.